Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. This is another Thanksgiving side dish, an extremely authentic and traditional Thanksgiving side dish based on the three sisters of the early tribal nations people. The reason why I call them that is because I can't help it. It's not scientifically accurate to call them indigenous. Human beings are only indigenous to the continent of Africa. We migrated and swarmed the entire globe, so they're not indigenous Americans. They've only been here for between 10,000 and 13,000 years. That's not very long on the geological or even the anthropological time scale. So there you go. This is based on the three sisters, corn, beans, and squash. And it's interesting how many recipes and videos you will find if you do a search that has, authentic Southern succotash, as if the Southern Americans invented it. They didn't. This is a Northeastern tribal dish. It's probably been around for, who knows how long. The first recipe recorded in English was written in the mid to late 1700s, so it's probably been around for, a really long time before that. Originally, it included bear meat and bear grease. This has no bear. No, not even a vegan equivalent of bear. You start with some melted vegan butter. You chop the onions, the squash. I, in this case, used a delicata squash because the skins are edible. So I cut them, it's kind of a long, fat cucumber shape, and I cut them in half lengthwise, scraped out the seeds, and then cut them in slices and cut the slices in half. Saute those with the onions till they start to get tender. Added the red bell pepper, cooked that a little longer. Added the lima beans, the corn, and the seasonings. And you can add broth to this and make it soupy. You can add a sauce and make it like a stew, or you can just have it plain like this. And there are so many variations. There's a summer version, a winter version. This is a cross between the summer and the winter because I used winter squash. You can use fresh frozen beans. You can use dried beans and soak them and cook them. A lot of different ways to make succotash. But it has to be included in a Thanksgiving feast because it's probably the most traditional dish available. So let me take a taste. Mm. Mm. So many wonderful flavors in so simple a recipe. Some people don't like lima beans. These are baby limas. They're not that bad. I recall eating a multi-bean casserole in my childhood. Pretty sure it had great big fat lima beans in it. Had a whole bunch of beans in it. It was something that our neighbor, Irene, used to make and bring to neighborhood potlucks, and it was known as Irene's beans, and it was really good. So I don't know what the deal is with lima beans, but I like them. I like this very much. It's delicious. The recipe will be on my blog. I will link to it in the description, along with the previous video, which will be today's video because this is going to be going up tomorrow. Ooh, wow. There's something spicy in there, and maybe it's the paprika. Or the black pepper. Maybe I put a lot of black pepper because there's no cayenne in it. But it's really good. Anyway, where was I? Oh, yeah. I think I'm going to be doing about 2 videos a day till Thanksgiving Day. I'll do one after Thanksgiving because it's Friday. I won't be taking a break. But I think I am going to do 2 visits. I mean, 2 visits. 2 videos a day. Regular uploading schedule is Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Regular community tab posts Monday and Friday. Now it looks like you all have community tabs, so that's nice. Although it's not nice that nobody gets notified unless they're on their cell phone. Occasional shorts and miscellaneous topics on Wednesday. Occasional cat videos on Catterday. Thank you, as always, for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let me have another one of these for the road. Red bell pepper is so nice. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. Because I'm going to say, see you later, guys.